What is the difference between a quilt and a blanket? The simple answer is that quilts have a soul because they have a story. Quilts are handmade by individuals, making each one a unique, one-of-a-kind creation. In contrast, a blanket is mass-produced in a factory, with its sole purpose being to keep you warm. A quilt, on the other hand, not only provides physical warmth but also offers emotional warmth through the story behind its creation and the quilter who made it. Each quilt carries the love, effort, and memories of its maker, making it a cherished heirloom. When I think of quilts, I remember my grandmother saving her empty flour sacks. Back then, flour came in bags made of printed cotton. Wrapping her quilt around me, I picture her sitting in her chair at night, piecing my quilt together by hand. Her hands, worn from a hard life, moved with care and precision. I often wonder what thoughts filled her mind as she worked on the quilt. Unfortunately, the history of a quilt is often passed down verbally and can be lost over time. Nancy's Quilt Story Labels ensure that your quilt's history remains a permanent part of it, preserving the story and soul of your quilt for generations to come. I invite you to consider adding my Quilt Story Labels to your quilts, giving them a soul that provides emotional comfort to future generations.